Hello and welcome to the final video of section 2, uses of remote capture. In this video, we are going to take a look at a couple of points. We are going to learn about the uses of remote capturing and I'm going to explain you these uses. So guys, if we talk about remote capture interfaces, then it looks like this inside Wireshark, right? This is wireshark.org website and you can read information about remote capture interfaces. So you can see here that this is remote interfaces. When you will click it, it will pop up you this box. You have to put your host name, you have to put the port number. If you have authentication, means username and password, then you can provide here. Otherwise you can select null authentication and then click OK, right? So what is host? Host is enter the IP address or host name of the target platform where the remote packet capture protocol service is listening. All right, so you need to provide the remote capture protocol service. So now what is host? Basically host is enter the IP address or host name of the target platform where the remote packet capture protocol service is listening, right? So the drop down list contains the hosts that have previously been connected. So you can see here, this is the host, this is the drop down list, which is basically existed host. Otherwise you can also provide a new IP address inside. Now port, set the port number where the remote packet capture protocol service is listening on. If you don't have any port number, then you can leave it blank, right? Null authentication. So if you don't need any authentication, then you can select null authentication and then you can click OK. But if you need authentication, for example, username and password, then you can provide the username and password there and then you can click OK, right? So there are various uses available for remote capture. For example, if you are working on a server, so you can place Wireshark inside a server and then you can connect the client machine with that server, right? So this is a basic use of remote capturing. So this is all about remote capturing setup and the process. Now if we talk about the section summary, then in this section we have learned that how you can capture traffic inside Wireshark, how you can save and export packets, how you can use printing and annotation process, and how you can perform remote capturing in Wireshark. So this is all about this section. In the next section we are going to learn about traffic filtering.